At any time witness a relative of yours or a close friend searching frantically for a blood donor, and when blood banks say that they are out of stock and donors in mind are out of reach, what would you do? Take a look.
There are so many situations that can be recalled in our memories where we are left helpless during health emergencies. One such common situation is when a person needs blood. Well, when there are times when you don't find the required blood, Friends to Support is your answer. This is a website that was founded by 5 members. There is also Friends to Support app for Android, BlackBerry, iOS and Java phone users. You just have to enter your blood group needed and your contact details. In a matter of a minute, you will get the donor's name in your locality.
Friends to Support is a database group of blood donors throughout India. This Friends to Support databases has a lot of volunteers and a lot of donors. Donors are around 150,000 donors are there present in India with this database, and around 15,000 volunteers are running on this theme. At least one schedule per week or a month is necessary. They go on conducting camps to get a lot of volunteers to just give an awareness program about Friends to Support and how the need of blood is and how you can save the person by donating blood. And this is an awareness program, and this started by a team of 5 members.
According to the founders of the online blood forum, the website is reliable and has already saved several lives. They also claim to have databases of more than 1 lakh donors in Bengaluru alone. Prasanna Kumar also added that anyone could avail blood by logging in to the website. This initiative has got a huge response all over India, and this is one way to make effective use of technology. Maltesh for News 9, Bengaluru.
They are doctors by profession but choose to be pyrotechnicians at night. Take a look at Namma Bengaluru's unique group called Medusa that provides an extra spark in the night. Flame throwing, baton twirling and fire breathing. Well, this is no joke, folks, and this pyro act is performed by a group of doctors from Namma Bengaluru. The group of 7 doctors and 1 engineer who call themselves Medusa have been performing pyrotechniques for the last 4 years. After graduating from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College, this group of friends started off their pyro act as a hobby, and as they progressed to performing on stage, they undertook training from professionals.
Our group is called Medusa because we have 8 people in the group, 7 doctors, 1 engineer. Among us, our main person who started off this, his name is Dr. Rahul Matthew. He started learning this art from a group of people in Kerala called the Fire Breathers about 10 years back. And then since 2010, he one day just brought up the idea. He brought up the idea about fire dancing or fire events. So we picked up on the idea as it was a dying art, and hence we took it forward. We practiced a lot, and here we are today.
They are as good as professionals when it comes to the fire act. They can perfect flame throwing, baton twirling, and according to them, they use special chemicals to perform these acts. But be warned, these acts need expert supervision to be safe. Well, this group performs every Saturday night. Many gather to watch their performance. Their friends who watch them tame fire say that it takes a lot of courage to be a pyrotechnician.
This is the first performance we are seeing, and they're playing very nicely with fire, and it's so scary, but then it's a nice performance. All friends have come to see, and they're daring. It's really good.
Well, as fascinating as it looks, don't try this without expert supervision. Shobha Jojiga, News 9, Bengaluru. When you think of linemen, the image that usually comes to your mind would be that of a man climbing an electricity pole. But now KPTCL is all set to change it.
While many would like to believe that there are several jobs unfit for women, they have been proven wrong time and again. One such job is that of a lineman. The Electricity Board welcomes applications from women looking to make a living in KPTCL. As per the court orders, the Electricity Department has been directed to invite applications from women for the post of assistant lineman. There have been women who have applied for this post in the past, but the jobs never went through because there was not enough importance given to women. Some of them took the case to the High Court about 3 years ago. Well, looks like their fight has finally paid off. Bescom currently has received 850 applications so far, among which majority of the applicants are from women.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಆಟೋ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಬಸ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು, IT ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು, ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ತೊಗೋಬೋದು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹುದ್ದೆ ರಾಜಕೀಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯೂ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ನನಗೇನು ಖಂಡಿತ ಯಾವುದೂ ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಮೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತೊಗೊಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಖಂಡಿತ ನನಗಂತೂ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಂತರ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗಂತೂ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
Well, it's not just Bescom. Electricity companies across the state which come under KPTCL have welcomed women to apply for the job currently dominated by men. Maltesh for News 9, Bengaluru.
The stage is set to welcome another new year and the rampant preparations are obvious from the site in Bengaluru's markets. Take a look. The markets in Bengaluru are overflowing with last-minute shoppers who are busy buying flowers, mango leaves and fresh fruits preparing for a busy tomorrow. One of the most important things about Ugadi is giving the mixture of neem and jaggery to symbolize the perfect mixture of happy and tough times.
ಬೆಳೆ ಏರಿಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆನೇ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಹೋಗೋದು ಬರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಪೂಜೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆದು ಏನಾರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಕಡತನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ವರೆಗೂ ಅದು ಯಶಸ್ಸಾಗ್ತದೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ.
While an increase in market prices is expected during festive time, what was shocking this year is that the prices of jaggery and neem have actually come down compared to the previous year. Meanwhile, Hallimane in Malleshwaram is preparing itself for a busy day tomorrow. The rice items and chapatis and rotis come with a variety of side dishes. And how can one forget the traditional payasam? Many were seen enjoying the mouth-watering food with friends and family as they were served with additional helpings.
Like, this is not the first time that I'm coming to Hallimane. For every Habbaduta I come here. Like, there are a lot of varieties. Whatever we prepare from home, it's entirely different what we have here.
ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದು. ನಮಗೆ ವರ್ಷ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸುಮಾರು 40ಕ್ಕೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ರುಚಿಕರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
With elections right around the corner, the management has even decided to spread awareness on voting.
We are celebrating Ugadi festival through Habbaduta that we do traditionally in Hallimane. Along with this, in the Habbaduta, we are serving about 30 to 32 varieties of different festival delicacies. So this includes special varieties including the mangoes and the jackfruit varieties. So this jackfruit, Habbaduta includes about 30 to 32 varieties served on a plantain leaf in a traditional ambience and environment. We are also giving this special message for all the voters because the elections is around the corner. So we are telling all the customers, please participate in voting. You are all responsible citizens, so you'll have to participate for a good government.
With the markets bustling with trade and food joints already offering their customers a festival on plate, Bengaluru is all prepared to welcome the new year with a feast. Anand Burli with Shobha Jojiga for News 9 Bengaluru.